Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to tell if you're blocked on Snapchat by somebody. So maybe you got into a fight with your friend and you don't know if they blocked you on Snapchat or not. I'll show you how to tell if they did today in this video. So first things first, go to Snapchat. So I'll go over to my chats real quick, and let's say I'm wondering if your mom blocked me. There are multiple ways to tell, but right now if I click onto their profile, it looks completely normal and they still haven't blocked me. I'll show you what it looks like if they have blocked me though. So I'll go to that profile real quick and block myself. To block somebody, you go to their profile, click on the three dots in the top right corner, and then you click Manage Friendship. Once you do that, you can block. So now that I've blocked my main account, I'll switch back to my other account. And here we go. I'll go to my chats. As you can see, the first thing that you notice is that the chat is gone. I do not see the chat anywhere. So if you were just recently texting them, but then it just completely disappears, then that's one way to know that they blocked you. Now, another way to tell is that if you try to find them on the add friend, you won't be able to find them at all, even though you type in their exact username. So I type in their exact username, but as you can see, there are no results. So that is a clear sign that they have blocked you on Snapchat. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.